So I began designing Model S about 4 years ago when I first came to Tesla. And the idea was really about transforming what an electric car could be. Early on, I knew right away that this car needed to be kind of the embodiment of efficiency. And for inspiration from that, I started looking at the human form and the torso of an athlete, because their leanness and muscle mass and all that you see is this efficient machine. We started with this idea of a flat pan battery pack, and then there's this little motor between the rear wheels. Everything is below the passengers, and in effect it's like a skateboard. We've got a really low nose and bonnet on the car. There's no motor there. It's just storage. We call it the frunk, and 5.8 cubic feet of space. It's a huge amount of space. When you have 7 people in the car, you can still put stuff in your car. So there's a lot of uniqueness in Model S. I had this idea of removing the gas cap out of the body, and we moved the connection into the taillight, so there's no extra kind of round door or port or anything that looks like it could be where you put gas in. And that was a small little detail, but means so much that we're really kind of moving away from this fossil fuel gasoline thing, and that it's a purely unique experience. They're arguably the coolest door handles in the business. They disappear into the body side to improve aerodynamic efficiency. Another unique thing that we have in the interior of this car is this massive 17-inch screen. And the idea with that was really to replace all the hard buttons and knobs and things with something that is relevant over time. So as you own this vehicle, we continue to upgrade the experience. You can customize it, personalize it, you can make it your own, and you do all the interaction with the car through this big 17-inch screen. One of the best things that we did at Tesla was really merge design and engineering together. I sat with the chief engineer and the engineering team throughout the entire process, and we collaborated and communicated on a minutely and hourly basis. So whenever there was good ideas going, we challenged each other to support the ideas and develop them further and make them into a great product. There's truly nothing better than seeing your design on the street. And ultimately that's the sense of satisfaction that you get from that is, it's just hard to measure. The fact that you've created something that is changing somebody else's life, a product that they potentially feel embodies them and a character about who they are, and knowing that you're a piece of that kind of puzzle of somebody else's life is awesome.